Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. In this video today I'll be showing you how to create this cranberry eye look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. First up, we're starting off with the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony, and I'm using the Morphe E29 brush to apply this brow pomade, and I like to give like a nice soft stroke in the front, and then I use my wipes to clean my brows, and then go ahead and clean it with my concealer and just blend that out with my brush. And then up next I'm using the L&E eye primer. This is really good to keep your eyeshadow very pigmented. I'm using the Anastasia A24 brush, just tapping that right on my lid. Then I'm going in with the BPerfect Carnival XL Pro palette. This is my all-time favorite palette. The colors are very great. I'll be using the shade Reckless and Inferno. I'm just tapping that right on the outer corner and then moving that into my crease area very lightly. Moving that shadow in circular motion. Then up next I'm using the Slow Burn shade just to clean out the other two colors that I used on my crease. Up next I'm using the color Temptation. It's a nice pigment eyeshadow. I'm just applying that all over my lid, and then I'm going back with Reckless and Inferno just to clean out any harsh lines. Then up next I'm using the Plouise base. I'm going to use that before I apply any eyeshadow on my under eye, just blending out the same colors that I used on my crease. Then I'm going in with the Plouise Poppin Candy Pigment. I'm going to use my finger and lightly tap that right on my eyelid. Then I'm going in with the Tatti Lashes Triple Threat. This is their synthetic line, and it's quite good. It looks very natural and very fluffy. And then we're going to move on to the face. I'm using the No Pore Bleam. This primer gives your foundation looking flawless and very matte. And then up next I am using the Juvias Place I Am Magic Foundation in Punta Cana. I'm using the NYX brush to apply this foundation very lightly and very so, just tapping it on. Then I'm going in with the I Am Magic Concealer in number 16 to highlight and number 7 to contour. Then just applying that all on my highlighted areas, and then using my brush lightly blending that on. Then I'm going in now with the concealer number 7 to contour, and I'm using the Real Technique brush to blend it out. And up next I'm using the Crayon Case Contour Palette. This is to set the contour area of my face that I contoured, and I'm lightly using my brush, just blending that in, making sure it's properly set. Now I'm going in with the Juvias Place Setting Powder in Sahara. This is from the I Am Magic collection. Just tapping that on very lightly on my face. And then now I'm using the MAC Skin Finish Powder in Deep Tan to blend out my face and also set all over my face and my foundation and where I apply my concealer. And then I go in now with this setting spray. I'm using the Mario Badescu setting spray. And then up next I'm using Watch Me blush. This is my favorite blush palette from the Crayon Case. I start off with using Cranberry. First is like a nice deep orange shade. Then I'm just gonna blend the tangerine color right on top of that. Up next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. This is to highlight my face, the areas that I want to pop. When I turn around, you can see the light glowing. This is my favorite highlighter, by the way. Like, I love it so much. And I'm applying that on top of my nose, my Cupid's bow. Up next, I'm using the Gerade Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Mudslide. This is like a nice burnt brown, reddish brown kind of color. Then I'm going in with the Gerade Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick and the Crayon Case Gloss Clean Kisses. The Gerade Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick is a Mudslide. So I'm just applying that right on over the lip pencil that I used. I just love this technique because it just makes it really stand out. And then I'm applying the gloss right on the center of my lip. Then I'm just going back with the pencil just to blend everything together to remove any harsh lines in between the gloss and the lipstick. Then I'm going ahead and setting my face with the MAC setting spray. And voila, there you have it. This is like a nice flawless look if you're going for like a Christmas party, if you're going for like a New Year's Eve party. This is a nice look to have. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.